Hi, here for an Uber?
Yes.
Whoa. What's your name?
Harley.
Okay.
I've been waiting for like 30 minutes. It said you were gonna be here like 10 minutes ago.
Yeah, I had to stop at the gas station because I ran out of gas, so.
Well, you could have at least texted me or something.
Well.
Do you even have a seatbelt back here?
It's somewhere. Get it. Just put it on.
I would.
It's not that hard.
If your car wasn't...
Do you not know how to use a seatbelt? Put it all the way back and then do it again.
This is not my fault. It is your fault. Finally got it.
Well, it was on child lock and you're acting like a child, so that's why it wasn't working.
I'm acting like a child. I tried to put my seatbelt on and it was your lousy car's fault that it wouldn't even pull through.
Pull through? So how's your day going?
Pretty good until I got in here.
Well, can I do anything to help you out? Do you want a heater on?
I mean, it is super hot in here. Is it okay if I smoke, actually?
No, you can definitely not smoke in my vehicle. This is my personal property and I have my own rules. I'm an independent contractor.
But this whole 10 seconds of me just getting in here really stressed me out, and smoking would really calm my nerves down.
Okay, well, you can smoke when we finish the ride.
Uber drivers let me smoke all the time. I don't know why you just won't let me.
Oh, probably like the cool ones, right? And they probably think you're gonna tip them, and then you probably tip them $0.
I mean, don't you want like a 5-star rating? Isn't that what this is all about?
Ratings don't matter. Ratings don't equal money.
Ratings definitely matter. I could call Uber up right now and be like,
you better not leave me a 1 star or give me a false report.
So far,
Uber's gonna deactivate me.
Well, maybe you deserve it.
I'm gonna have to call up the Reactivation Center.
What are you even saying right now?
It's like a company that helps drivers.
Okay, well that has nothing to do with me, so.
Okay, well, can you just sit down normally and
what do you mean sit down normally?
You're like sitting like, why are you crisscrossed?
This is what girls do sometimes.
Okay, well,
just affecting you that much?
How about we play the silent game, okay? However can be silent, the longer wins.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, I have Play Octopus back there on the ground. Can you grab it?
You have what?
Can you grab that box down there? There's a box.
What is this?
It's Play Octopus. You can earn prizes, cash prizes.
Do you just have this down
Open
here?
it up, open it up.
Is this some kind of trick?
No, it's for you. Open it up. Hold it up, look. What
is this?
It's a tablet. You can play games and win cash prizes.
You think this will get you your 5-star rating?
It helps me make more money, okay? Can you just turn it on and start playing games?
There are actual games on this thing?
Yeah, turn it on.
So do I get to keep this?
No, that's for me. That's for my car. Okay, Uber barely pays me, so I have to use Play Octopus to pay for my gas because gas prices are through the roof thanks to Joe Biden. So, sleepy Joe Biden can't even, he's blaming it on Putin. Gosh. Well, whatever.
I mean, I'm gonna keep this anyway.
You're not keeping that. That's called Play Octopus.
I feel like it's a little unfair that you give someone a game and then they can't even keep it. So
you can play the game.
I'm going to put this.
You're not stealing my Play Octopus. Hey, put that back. Put that back.
Nope.
You just put that in your purse?
I did.
You know, I have to say, in all of my 7 years of being an Uber driver, I don't know if you knew, but I've been driving Uber for 7 years.
They've let you drive Uber for 7 years with this kind of service.
Yeah, I got a 4.5 star rating.
4.5 stars acting like this, please.
Yep.
You bribing people?
Anyways, what I was saying is in all my 7 years as a rideshare driver, you've got to be one of the worst.
I'll take that. You deserve it, and I feel like I'm acting in reason.
Did you go to private school growing up? Because you seem entitled.
I actually did.
Oh, really? That explains a lot.
Okay.
Hashtag privilege.
Excuse me. I feel like you should be acting a little nicer considering I'm gonna be giving you a tip or not. So if you could please just, accommodate my needs. Do you have any food in here? I'm starving.
I'm not giving you any of my food. I do have food in here, but it's not for you. Hey, please sit back. Safety first. Do not drink my drink. Hey, hey, hey.
Refreshing.
Do not do that.
It's so hard to be so nice.
You don't know if I'm sick or not.
Fair enough.
You know what? You're the worst rider of all time. I'm dropping you off right here.
No, you're not. You need to take me to where I have to go. It's gonna rain out here.
I don't care. You can order a new Uber.
No. My phone's dead.
I'm an independent contractor and I'm gonna kick you out.
No, okay. Come on.
You can walk.
I'm not walking.
Get out.
No, I'm not getting out.
Get out of my car.
This is the craziest experience I've ever been through.
I already canceled the ride. You're done.
No, what?
You're done. Hey!
No.
What are you doing?
That.
You just hit. You're assaulting me.
Yeah.
Hey!
No,
Stop.
You need to take me to
Get
where
out of my car. Get out of my car.
To where I need to go.
Get out. Get out. This is self-defense, by the way. Give me my Play Octopus tablet. I'm gonna earn money with this. Pay for my hospital bills.